What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jess here. It is my favorite time of the year. It is deal season time. I'm a huge fan of finding good deals out there, and this is the third straight year that I've been doing a Black Friday's deal video for you guys. We got a lot of stuff to cover, so let's jump right into it. All right, so let me just immediately state that these deals that I'm about to mention might change, or variations of them might pop up depending on who the publisher is of those said deals. Also, some new things might pop up here over the weekend, so make sure to stay tuned online over on the Twitters and Reddit and you name it. There, wherever you can find deals, there will be there. All right, so the first one on the list here is MatterHackers.com. Every year they always have a really big sale, and as usual, they have some great deals going on here for the Black Friday weekend. From a 3D printer standpoint, they have their Creality machines are 10% off. That is really crazy. Also, should mention down below here, I'll have the code that you need to use, which is BLKFRI, to get any of the discounts here that are being mentioned. You can find all of these on their website. And again, this is one of these companies that I'm sure is going to have additional deals that go up. The Ultimaker 2 Plus and the 2 Plus Extended 3D printers are $500 off, which is incredible. The BCN 3D Sigma is $450 to $860 off. And one of my favorite resin 3D printers, it's a bit on the expensive side, is the Zortrak Inkspire. That is going to be $420 off. It's a really great deal on an amazing resin 3D printer. By the way, the CR10S is on sale specifically for $359 on this deal. That is insane. That is such a good 3D printer, and is still one that I use to this day very, very regularly. So if you're in the market for a new CR10, I highly recommend that. Also, they have a bunch of deals going on with filament and resins, so you can get their MatterHacker Pro Series is 10% off. Fiberforce Pantone PLA is 30% off, and Protopasta filaments are 20% off, which is really, really cool. Also, there's a few different companies that are doing mosaic palette deals, and MatterHackers has a great deal going on where if you pick up the Palette 2, the 2 Pro, the 2S, 2S Pro, you'll get the free canvas hub, which is $60 to $140 retail value, which is pretty nice. Also, if you're interested in a MatterHackers t-shirt, those are 20% off. I will be probably buying another one of those for myself since I got super glue all over my last one. So the folks over at Tiny Machines 3D also have a sale running this weekend. They also have some really great Creality machine sales going on through this weekend. So they've got the CR20 Pro is on sale for $425. The CR10S is $525. The CR10 V2 is $525. The CR10 S4, which is the larger of the CR10s, is on sale for $655, and then the CR10 S5, which is the big daddy of the CR10s, is on sale for $875. They also have the new recently released CR10 Max as well, which is $1,025. They're also going to have some great deals on Cyber Monday for the FormBot 3D printers. Again, all of the companies I'll be talking about, I'll have links directly down below. Some of those are affiliates, which if you buy things through those, it helps out the channel, so thank you. My buddy Pooch over at RepCord, who is the maker of the RepBox. If you are doing multicolor 3D printing, you need one of his boxes. Yeah, they're going to be on sale as well here on Black Friday. So some of the deals that you can find is the base MDF box is going to be $100. That's the one that you're going to end up assembling yourself, and it also requires you to 3D print some of the pieces yourself, but it saves you a bunch of cash by assembling it and printing some of the parts for yourself. Also, he has the fully loaded acrylic box that's on sale for $399.99, and that also includes a number of different parts. Pooch, you're killing me with all the details in this email, by the way. That also includes 3D printed parts, a sealed kit, a humidity hunter kit, wall mount, extra roller set, extra exit fittings, and 12 500-gram spools of ripcord filament. 12? Did you hear that? So if you buy the fully kitted one, you're going to get 12 rolls of filament with that as well. Plus all that other stuff that I just rattled off. He also has a deal going on with the Mosaic palette as well. If you buy the Mosaic Palette 2S Standard Edition, which is on sale for $599.99, you'll get a free base MDF rep box. That's the one that I mentioned at the very beginning here, that you have to 3D print some of the parts yourself and assemble it yourself. But that's a great deal if you're in the market for a Palette 2S standard. And here's another big list of awesome deals, and this time coming from printedsolid.com. If you're the first 100 orders over $100, you'll get a free maker box. That's a really cool add-on to all of the deals that I'm about to mention and have listed up here on screen. There are a ton of deals, by the way. Just some of those that I want to mention are, there are an absolute ton of deals going on at Printed Solid. I'll try to include as many as I have here as I can on screen, but make sure to head up their website. They have all of their build plate surfaces are on sale for 20% off. This includes flex plates and PEI sheets. They have lots and lots of filament deals. So they have Color Fab filament will be 25% off. Protopasta will be 20% off. NinjaFlex also 20% off. BAMTac will be $10 a roll. IC3D, $10 a roll. That's a great deal. Polyalchemy Elixir is on sale for 20 bucks. I will be picking up some of that for myself. I've been dying to try that. And also they have some printer deals as well. So they'll have 500 off the Ultimaker 2 and the 2 Extended. Also, all of their enclosures will be $50 off as well, the Printed Solid enclosures. They also have some Mosaic palette deals as well. So if you pick up the Mosaic Palette 2, you'll get a $100 gift card to Printed Solid. If you pick up the Mosaic Palette 2 Pro, you'll get a $200 gift card. Man, these Mosaic folks are killing me with with the names. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say this. I've probably cut and re-edited this a ton of times. So Tim over at TH3D also has a ton of deals going on. So this is a great place for you to go and pick up lots of different accessories or parts or add-ons to make your stuff print even better than it is today. Also has some 3D printer deals going on. So the Artillery AL4 3D printer will be $50 off. Their new Easy Board Lite is going to be $10 off, and he made a note here that this is the first time and likely only time that they'll be doing discounts on this. So I'm interested in that. More than likely be picking up one of those for myself because it sounds pretty cool. Ever so popular Easy Able kits are also on sale for 25% off. The Easy Pie kits are 20% off. They have all of their hot ends, nozzles, extruders, heaters are also 20% off. Their flex plates and their easy mats are also 15% off as well. So they also have merch as well that will be 15% off, and pretty much everything else is 10% off. So some really great deals there to have. Make sure to support your amazing local businesses. The Capricorn Tubing guys and gals are having a sale for 20% off all of their stuff there with the code Black Friday 19. That's good through December 1st. Raise 3D also reached out to me to let me know that if you wanted to pick up filament from them, they have that 25% off their filaments with the code Jessy, wink wink, that is me here, on their website on Black Friday exclusively. They have some really nice filaments there as well. If you haven't printed with it, you might want to check that out. The folks over at 3D Gloop, that's right. If you haven't used 3D Gloop and you're printing big things and needed to stick it and adhere it together, you should really try this out. They are having a sale where it's free shipping on all US orders over $20, and you'll also be able to get 20% off your order when you sign up for their news. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already bought some Gloop for yourself. Billtek mentioned that they are going to have some specials going on Black Friday, but did not have the details at the time of me recording the video. So again, I'll have some links down below to them. I love the Billtek crew over there, so make sure to check that out if you're in the market for some new build plates or one of their awesome spatulas or whatever else they're hawking these days. All right, let's talk about a few 3D printing companies as well. So the folks over at Anycubic are having a big sale here on Black Friday. So they have the Anycubic i3 Mega is on sale for $180 and one roll of PLA that's included with that. They also have the Photon on sale for $239, and they also have the Photon S on sale for $359. Those are both really great deals for resin 3D printers. The Photon being on sale for under $250 is crazy. That's a really good deal. Also, the Epacks resin 3D printing team emailed me to let me know that they also have some deals going on. So on Friday, they have the X1 on sale for $399, and then on Cyber Monday, it looks like the X1 will be on sale for $379. That's a really good deal. And their larger resin 3D printer, the X10, is going to be on sale on Cyber Monday for $1,099. really good deals. I also know Nikko Industries is going to have a big sale on Friday as well, where all of his files will be 50% off with the code THANKS. That's a really good deal if you're in the market for some really cool statues or replica props for you to do some cosplay in. Non-3D printing related, SKS Props also has a sale on all of their EVA foam, where you can pick that up with free shipping for anything over $100. And one last deal I wanted to mention, because I'm actually going to be picking this up for myself. ZBrush software is on sale until the end of the month. I believe it's $100 off pretty much every purchase option. They have monthly subscription options as well as 6-month options. That's the one I'm going for here, which is going to be $140 for the first 6 months, and then it goes back up to the regular price after the next 6 months. Or you can get a perpetual license, which is a one-time license for just under $800. So if you're interested in learning 3D designing and sculpting, which I am as well, and I started on and never finished and are really continued with, so I'm going to jump back into it. ZBrush is also on sale. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll do my best here to be posting deals that I find over on Twitter in the comments down below. I'll be updating descriptions as things pop up potentially. So thank you again for watching and listening to all of these crazy deals that are going on. I'm hoping you guys are finding some really good deals out there for stuff that you're interested in. If you hear about other things and are looking for a place to share that, please consider sharing that down in the description below. Also posting those over on your social media accounts. I mean, I'm going to be always hunting and looking and sharing things over on Twitter. If you guys already follow me, I typically share lots of different tech deals that I'm picking up throughout the holidays here. Lots and lots and lots of really good deals to be had. You just got to get out there and find some of them. All right, so get back to your Thanksgiving meals and stuff in your faces while I try not to eat anything too carborific here.